Hey guys, so this video is going to be showing you my spring and Easter decor. I don't have a lot. I have one bin and then some of the items that I picked up this year, but I want to share some of the items. I have my bin right here and we're gonna go through it because I honestly don't even remember what I have. It's always like that for every season. I never remember. Let me just make sure I am in focus because I never know if I am. But I'm gonna just get started and get into this bin. The first thing I have on the very top is this Easter speckled wreath. I actually got this one year from Target, 90% off. And yeah, so this year I will be putting this up. They don't have the exact same one this year. It's a little different. And then I am gonna open up my bin. So the first thing I'm going to start off with is this little like bunny sitter. It's funny because I actually got this last year on my sister's birthday. We went to Cracker Barrel. Yeah, it was Cracker Barrel, and for some reason this was on sale, or it was a different price than the other one, but I picked this one up, and this was like right after my dad had passed away, so I remember picking this little guy up because I got the blue one. So I have that one, and I am sweating because today is starting to get hot already here. I have this Spritz Monogram Easter basket liner. It's in pink. I had actually got this for my niece a couple years ago and I haven't even gave it to her. I have these little carrots. I think these were from Target one year. I have some table mats. I have this one. It's just a pretty Easter. I think these ones were from Kohl's. Then I have this one with the reverse. So I have those. Then I do have this one. This one was from Walmart, I believe. I don't know if I picked this one up last year or this year. I mean last year or the year before. I think I have two of these. But I got the one with the pink. Then I have this one. This one was from Walmart. I remember this one. It just says Easter Joy and it has the yellow. I remember picking this up last year on clearance. Then I have this Easter banner, and I almost forgot I even had this. It's just a banner with carrots on it and little bunnies. I think I bought this at Ross last year. I was thinking of getting one because I didn't think I had one, and I do have one. So good thing I'm going through these items. This little bunny, I don't remember where it's from, but it has polka dots and a little tail, but you can always turn it around this way and use it that way. I don't remember. I don't know if it's from Hobby Lobby. Then this little salt and pepper shaker. This is from Target Dollar Spot last year. It's a little salt and pepper, but it looks like a carrot kind of. So it's really cute. I know I got that like 90% off or some kind of percent off. These little burlap bunnies, they're just like, actually they're not burlap, they're like material. I made these on my channel. I'll link that down below in the description bar. I did, like I said, I did these on my channel last year. This one is from Kirkland's, and they still have these this year. I believe I saw them. So this was normally $5.99. I probably bought it on sale. These are from Hobby Lobby. I love these. I forgot what they're called, like the material this is. I have two of them. I usually put them in like floral arrangements. And yeah, you can find these at Hobby Lobby still. Let's see. I have a little egg nest. I think this was from the 99-cent store and I just cleaned it up. I have a whole bunch of little carrots. These were from Hobby Lobby. I picked these up on clearance one year. They were 25 cents and I gave some to my sister and then I kept some. And then I have those. Then I have these. I don't remember where these ones are from. Not too sure. And then I also have this one. This one looks like a Hobby Lobby one. They're probably all scattered in here. Let's see. This I made on my channel. I'll link that down below in the description. It was a really popular video for my channel, but it was super easy and I still love it, so I'll put that up. And ooh, a lot of breakable stuff. I have this from Threshold. It's an Easter bunny with gold ears. I might have got that one on clearance. Then I have some purple ribbon. I just threw it in there. I know these were on my Ray Dunn canisters. It's just like purple ribbon. I have this sign that says Easter. This was from Target, I believe. Target Dollar Spot. And then I have this one. This one kind of broke. I don't remember where it was from, but the little foot down here broke. But I still use it. You can definitely turn it around and use it, but I still use it. I don't mind. I have more carrots. Oh my gosh. And I have some more down here. I think I pick them up every year from Target, so that's why I have so many. I just like the styles that they always come out with. So, oh gosh, these are all. So I have these, and then these. So these are the different variations throughout the years that they've come out with them. Let's see, I have this one. It's the other Walmart one, but this one doesn't have a pink like little thing right here. It has it up here. And then I have this little one. I think this one's from Kirkland's. She's cute. These ones were from Walmart. Wait, this one is. It says Easter Blessings, but you can turn it around. I usually turn it around. I have another one. I just don't know where it's at. This one I want to say is from not Michael's. TJ Maxx or Marshall's. And it's just wood and white. Oh, my foot's falling asleep. What is this? I don't remember what this is. Oh. This is just a pastel little milk jug that from the Dollar Tree. Let's see. Little purple ceramic egg. That one's from Hobby Lobby. Then I have this one from Hobby Lobby. This one's still at Hobby Lobby this year. Oh, these I think I got from my mother-in-law. They're two little bunnies that are together and they're so cute. They're kind of like, what do you call it? Like vintage kind of little bunnies. Let's see. This was from the 99-cent store. It's just like wraps around your chair. But these little bunnies right here are too cute. But it's just like wraps around. It's just like a purple one. Kind of matches my shirt. Then I have this one from Hobby Lobby. And this one's from Walmart. You turn it around and it's just farmhouse. Then I have this little sign. It used to be on another little bunny. And it says fresh carrots. Oh, this is my little, oh, he's all dirty. My little gnome. This is the one I said I had from last year. And he has little bunny ears. I found another one of these. I have so many bunnies. Oh my gosh. It's more like not Easter. It's more, yeah, it's more Easter than spring, honestly. Then I have this little pedestal. It's in pink. I need to bring this out. Let's see. I have some wood eggs. I didn't get to do anything with them last year. So I do have some of those. I have these little speckled eggs from Target. They're kind of like wood, I want to say, and they have a little thing at the top. But these are from, like I said, Target Dollar Spot. Little egg holders. And then this bowl from Hobby Lobby, I think. Looks like honeycomb, kind of. I have this little banner. I think it was from my daughter's room, and I just use it for Easter. Some other items I have. This was from the 99-cent store. It just says Happy Easter. I've had it for a couple years and I still like it. This one was from Target last year. Carrot Patch. This one was from last year from the 99-cent store. It says Happy Easter. These look like the ones from Hobby Lobby, except the Hobby Lobby ones have pedestals, but you can definitely put a pedestal on this and it will look identical. Ooh, I got this shiplap egg, and I bought this from Target last year for $3. I might have got it on clearance. Then I have this one that says, oh, you can't see with the, it says Happy Easter. It's like a baby blue. You're not gonna see that. And then I have these Easter eggs. They're like wood. I can put somewhere. And then this little carrot. Oh, I have this little sign that says Home Sweet Home with the little bunny. I have a whole bunch of Easter bags I got on clearance one year. They're honestly just Easter bags. And then I do have this little basket I use for Valentine's Day, so I'll use it for Easter. Then I have this wood sign that says Happy Easter. You can't even see with the glare, but it's a reversible one that says Happy Valentine's Day, and then it says Happy Easter on this side. I bought that from a local company here. What else do I have? I have some Easter liner baskets for my daughter for her basket. And then I have these tulips from Target last year, which I'm thinking I might just pick up the ones from Amazon this year. So I only have 4, so I need more. I know that they came out with them this year, but oh, my feet. Ow. My feet are, oh, gosh. I was sitting on them. Ow. And they are so numb. So yeah, that is it for, sorry, I'm all like, oh, I'm so uncomfortable. So that is it for my bin. I don't have a lot of stuff of spring and Easter. It's only one bin, but I might have 2 by the end of this spring and Easter season. But that is it. Yeah, hopefully I get to do a decorate with me soon and some tiered trays, so stay tuned for that. And that is it for this video. I'll talk to you guys in another one. Bye.